One who is vowed to unmarried life. Celibate. A man whose wife is dead. Widower. A woman whose husband is dead. Widow. Engaged to be married. Betrothed. An instrument for recording the revolutions of the earth. Gyroscope. An instrument for measuring electric current. Ammeter. Smuggled goods. Contraband. The act of spying. Espionage. A knife fixed on the end of a gun. Bayonet. Soldiers on horses. Cavalry. Soldiers on foot. Infantry. A book of accounts showing debit and credit. Ledger. A book containing information on all the branches of knowledge. Encyclopedia. A record of one's life written by oneself. Autobiography. A record of one's life written by somebody else. Biography. A speech by the dramatist at the start of the play. Prologue. A speech by the dramatist at the end of the play. Epilogue. A poem of mourning. Elegy. Unable to pay off one's debt. Insolvent. Language that has been very much used. Hackneyed.